Hey everyone, today I'm going to guide you through the process of buying stocks through a broker. It's a straightforward process, but getting it right can make a big difference in your investment journey. So let's dive in. First things first, you need to choose the right broker. There are a ton of options out there, from full-service brokers to discount brokers. Full-service brokers offer a range of services including financial advice, but they come with higher fees. Discount brokers, on the other hand, have lower fees but offer fewer services. Think about what level of service you need and what you're willing to pay for. Once you've chosen your broker, it's time to open an account. This usually involves filling out an online application and providing some personal information, like your social security number and employment details. You may also need to answer questions about your investment experience and risk tolerance. This helps the broker understand your investment goals and recommend the right products for you. All right, now that your account is set up, it's time to fund it. You can transfer money from your bank account to your brokerage account. This process can take a few days, so be patient. With money in your account, you're ready to start buying stocks. But before you jump in, do your research. Look at the company's financials, read analyst reports, and understand the market trends. The more information you have, the better decisions you'll make. When you're ready, log into your brokerage account and find the trading platform. Enter the ticker symbol of the stock you want to buy. You'll need to decide how many shares you want to purchase and whether you want to place a market order or a limit order. A market order buys the stock at the current market price, while a limit order lets you specify the maximum price you're willing to pay. If the stock reaches your price, the order gets executed. Otherwise, it remains open until it's filled or you cancel it. Once you've placed your order, you'll get a confirmation from your broker. And just like that, you're a stockholder. Keep an eye on your investments and review your portfolio regularly. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Stay informed, be patient, and don't let short-term market fluctuations shake your confidence. And there you have it, buying stocks through a broker in just a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing tips. Thanks for watching.